Forgotten username recovery failed on Stripe fix. If your Stripe username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they expect Stripe to still use traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Stripe now uses your registered email as the main login identifier. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Stripe app or visit the website. Enter the email address associated with your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Stripe, such as payment notifications or account confirmations. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't arrive immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to log in the same way. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Stripe support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Stripe removed usernames to simplify login and increase security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your Stripe account and payments in minutes.